David Ziegler, what are the challenges of commercial aviation?
So good morning to all Aero Morning fans worldwide. Proud to be here with you today at the Paris Air Show 2023. And we are seeing a very good example on how resilient commercial aviation is with the opening of the air show and the magnificent order from Airbus for more than 500 aircraft. So the main challenge, of course, for commercial aviation is to ramp up short term and to be able to address all these magnificent orders because people do want to travel. But long term, the main challenge for commercial aviation is to be able to be sustainable. Sustainable aviation means essentially decarbonation. There is a massive target of a net zero adoption by 2050, so a decrease of 50% of essentially all the carbon emissions toward 2050. And this means for all the aircraft makers that we need to switch from an addiction to jet fuel and changing to a new form of energy very simply. So whether this is sustainable aviation fuel, whether this is hydrogen-powered aviation, or whether this is the electrical aircraft or the more electrical aircraft, we need to completely change the way we are flying. And it's not only a problem of the jet fuel we are going to use, it's going to massively change the way the aircraft are designed. Just to give you an example, it's very clear that we are not going to be able to fly long range with all electrical aircraft. The weight of the batteries are not going to allow that. But even for short range aircraft, for flying taxis or eVTOL as we call them, it means that we will need to develop these batteries to last longer and of course to be able to be fit within the regulation and the safety that is mandatory in aerospace. So it means new type of energy, new type of energy management system, and of course all the safety parameters which are impacted by the overall aircraft design. In hydrogen, likewise, we will need to develop new tanks, new way of harboring liquid or gaseous hydrogen within the aircraft. We also need to develop the full powertrain. This will mean as well developing all the fuel cell capabilities and all the energy management systems. And of course, Dassault Systemes is proud to be able to help our major customers like Airbus, Boeing, Dassault Aviation, and many others to work toward a decarbonized future by harnessing the capabilities of the 3D Experience platform and all the wire harness design capabilities, all the fuel cell design capabilities, but also the system architecture capabilities of the 3D Experience platform.
Thank you, David.